Welcome back guys to Beaver Tech Solution. This is 16 lane pin light solution we are about to do. Now as you can see, this is itel 2160. The phone is on as you can see in the video, but there is no light on this phone, and that is the issue. We have tried fixing new screen, still have the same problem. So now let's try to troubleshoot and see what we can trace out of this. Please, if you're new to this video, please go to hit on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you can get notified when we upload new video on this channel. Like this video, share this video, and drop your comment if there's any question. Please don't skip any part of this video. Just watch down to the end so that you will see the process and have a good result. So at this point, we are tracing to see if there's a breakage on why the light is not coming up on this particular phone. So you can see now, here comes the tip. We are trying now to track to see how we can run this jumper on this very 16 leg pin. So at this point, I'm trying to use the picker to see if the light is going to pop up. So let's just watch and see. Watch and see. So I'm having challenges here, so I just have to fix back the keypad. Yes, just have to fix back the keypad because the phone needs to be on so I can do my tracing. So I need the button that is pressing well to so that I can press it and know when the light is on. So at this point, just watch as I'm going to fix back the keypad so I can make it easy for me. Alright. Okay. So if you have not hit on the subscribe button, please do well to hit on the subscribe button right now so that you will get notified when we upload new video on this channel. There's also a link on other video like FRP bypass playlist that can be helpful to you as a technician. Yes, please do well to watch more videos on this channel. Alright, so let's just put the button part back so that we can proceed with what we have in mind. Okay, alright, so this is it. Alright, please don't skip, just watch. My fellow technician, just watch and see how this is going to turn out. Alright, so now the button is there. At this point, I can be pressing the button and be tracing where I can run my jumper. If you take note now, there's a light popping up. You can see. So it shows that there's hope on this particular phone. So what we're looking for now, where we are going to run the jumper for. So that is what we are tracing right now. And that's why I fix the buttons. I can be pressing inside, the light can be on. So I can run the jumper. You can see, you see, the light is on. So at this point, we have seen the particular place we are about to run the jumper, as you can see. So let me show you the jumper I run. I just keep it so that it will take you time to see the process. So I just cut it so you can see. Now let me show you how I did the jumper. So you can't from, yes, so you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? So you bridge number 4 and 5 together. Bridge number 4 and 5, and you have your problem solved. So guys, try this. If this is helpful to you, please do to hit the subscribe button and share this video. See you in our next video.